from leetcode on Java language. So now Mr. Balasurya will explain the first program.
Today we are going to see a leetcode problem which is called fusion. It's a basic program in leetcode. First, this is the question. We have to understand question first to write a code. Give an array of integer number and an integer target and return the index of the two numbers such that they are added upon to the target. It means the index of the two values added to the sum of two index values is total to the target value. This is the question we have to understand, and this is my program. First, I am using a hash map, which is a package in Java which is helps to create value key pairs. We are using hash map in a program to create a value key pairs. First, I am going to explain the main function and then going to the method. First, we are declaring a main function using public static void main. Here we are creating an object called solution. The object name is sol, class name is solution. So we are declaring first class name solution and the object name sol equal new is a keyword and solution function is called a constructor. Here the next time we are declaring the variables. First I am declaring an array which is start from we are going to declaring an array. We have to declare the data type. So I am declaring a data type array in integer. So my value is also in integer. And the next variable is target. As of the question, we are creating a target variable and store a value 9. And next we are going to create a result. It is also a variable. So I am creating a array equal result equal sol dot to sum. Here I am calling back the method. And here I am going to print the output. So I am giving system dot out dot println. Inside of the println we are giving index equal to result of index 0 and result of index 1. This is the method or function we are declaring in the program. In the method we are first declaring the class name called class solution, and here public int public is access specifier, int there is the data type int array, and toSum is the name of my function. Inside of the function we are declaring two variables. First of one of this array called int array of nums and then int target. Inside the function I am declaring a map which is help to store two values as per the key and value concept. Here it is the syntax this is the syntax to declare the map. I am using map and inside of map two integers, and this is the name of the map m and equal to new dot hash map. This is the format to access hash map package. Inside the package we are declaring a for loop. First of all I am initiating I is equal to 0 and there is a no condition. It means this for loop will be infinity loop. If anybody having doubts, infinity loop having errors, but in this program definitely having output so that we can declare the infinity conditions. And I am using increment operator here. And then inside of for loop we are declaring two variables int x int y. Int x is the index of our array. First of all our I is start in 0. Here 0 means is the first value of our array. And then index int y is a second variable. This value is equal to target minus x. We getting x from the first line and minus with the target to find the y. And here we using if dot m dot constant key. It helps to find or check the variables is inside the array or not. Here m is the name of the map and contains key is helps to check the value is inside the map or not. If the value getting from y is inside the map, then it will return the variable y and its index. If value y is not in the loop, then it will move to the next line called m dot put of x comma I x dot I. It helps to declare x value and its index. Here our array is called this is our array. We are giving 4 values 2, 7, 11, 15. Here and our target is 9. We have to find the sum of two values and return the index. For example, sum of 2 and 7 equal to 9. So we have to return the index called for 2 its index 0 and 7 its index 1. So we have to return the 0, 1 in an array form. First of all, our conditions comes to main function and checks everything, and then in the line of int result is equal to so dot to sum. Here our condition is moved to our control is moved to the function which is called the class solution. Here first when the map checks map integer comma integer helps to store two values as per the concept of key value concept. Here m is the name of the map and as map is a package. First of all, I start with the 0. Then I is 0 means nums of I is equal to 0. Nums of I is equal to 0 means first array, first variable it is called 2. So the x value is 2. And then y means target is 9 and minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, we have to understand the loop. Here we getting y value is 7 and then move to the if condition, and here is checks the 7 value is in the map, but our map contains 0, no values it contains. So the 7 is not in the map, so it moves to the next line, and m dot put of x dot I is helps to store the values which is we get 2. 2 is a value of getting x, so it is stored in the index of first value, and index of the 2 is 0, so here store 0. Now our map contains 2, 0, and then the loop again will loop. Again the value of index I is equal to moved to I equal to 1. I equal to 1 means it value of 7. Then comes to the x value. The x value is 7 and y value is 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 means 2. And then the if condition checks the 2 value is inside the map. Now we store we already store the 2, 0 in the map, so that it finds the 2 and then returns the value. If it finds a 2, then it returns the x. Now your x is 7, right? So it returns a 7, 7 comma its index, 7 comma its index is 1. So now we get we having the map value of 2, 7. The sum of 2 and 7 equal to 9. So its index will return its index like 0, 1. The array will return like 0, 1.
Fibonacci series is nothing but each number sum of the two that precedes it. That is, like if we are getting 0, 1.